Hey kobolds, and welcome to a snack-sized episode of Chef Bytes. Today we're looking at one of my favorite food hacks I've ever discovered, the mayo grilled cheese. Now, before you click off this video, please hear me out. When you use mayo in place of butter on the bread before slapping that bad boy down on the pan to toast, the end result is perfect browning, enhanced flavor, and some out-of-this-world crispiness. Trust me, let's get cooking. Step 1 is going to be spreading that mayo out onto the bread. You want one thin and even layer on both slices so you get even browning all around. Then you can put your cheese on. I'm a fan of a grilled ham and cheese sandwich, although in this case it's definitely turkey. Another favorite combo of mine happens to be the tomato and bacon grilled cheese sandwich, classic. What's your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Now, once the sandwich has been assembled, heat up your pan or skillet and melt down some butter. Yes, we're still using butter here, although in this case it's just in the pan, so it's healthier? Maybe? I don't know. What I do know is that it helps with the browning and, of course, adds to the flavor. Now we're gonna toast our sandwich on medium to medium-high heat just until golden brown on both sides until, of course, the cheese is melted. You can also take an extra step and just use a cover for the pan to help the cheese melt a little bit faster. Using a spatula, carefully flip your sandwich over, admire that beautiful browning from the mayo, and then just lightly press down to get everything evenly toasted and melty. The end result is a level of toasting and crispiness and depth of flavor that is just out of this world. There's a slight mix of sweetness and even sourness that comes out after the Maillard reactions have run their course. And it's because of this reason that I dare say this tastes better than just straight butter on a grilled cheese sandwich. Now get out there and give this one a try. Enjoy, happy cooking, like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.